Hello kids. Let's learn letter A. Words. Look carefully and answer. Insect walks in a line. Can you guess its name? Ant. Can you say it? Ant. A is for ant. This vehicle flies in the sky. What do we call it? Aeroplane. Can you say it? Aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. This has wings and a halo. Who is it? Angel. Can you say it? Angel. A is for angel. This vehicle helps sick people. What do we call it? Ambulance. Can you say it? Ambulance. A is for ambulance. It flies when you shoot it from a bow. What is this? Arrow. Can you say it? Arrow. A is for arrow. This animal has sharp teeth and lives near water. Who is it? Alligator. Can you say it? Alligator. A is for alligator. Ships use this to stay in one place. What is it? Anchor. Can you say it? Anchor. A is for anchor. This is a healthy dry fruit. We eat it to stay strong. Can you guess the name? Almond. Can you say it? Almond. A is for almond. This is a glass tank. Fish live inside it. What is it called? Aquarium. Can you say it? Aquarium. A is for aquarium. We use this body part to lift things. What is it? Arm. Can you say it? Arm. A is for arm. This is a fruit. It is red or green. What is it? Apple. Can you say it? Apple. A is for apple. Planes take off and land here. What is this place? Airport. Can you say it? Airport. A is for airport. This tool cuts wood. Can you name it? Axe. Can you say it? Axe. A is for axe. A small nut from an oak tree. What is this? Acorn. Can you say it? Acorn. A is for acorn. You wear this while cooking. Can you name it? Apron. Can you say it? Apron. A is for apron. It rings to wake you up. Can you guess the name? Alarm clock. Can you say it? Alarm clock. A is for alarm clock. This person travels in space. Who is this? Astronaut. Can you say it? Astronaut. A is for astronaut. This is a green fruit. Can you guess the name? Avocado. Can you say it? Avocado. A is for avocado. These people protect the country. Who are they? Army. Can you say it? Army. A is for army. This animal looks like a monkey. It climbs trees very fast. Who is it? Ape. Can you say it? Ape. A is for ape. Great job, kids. You learned letter A words. Next, let's learn letter B. Subscribe for fun learning videos of all letters A to Z.